Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of XCOM The SHIV War. In this abduction mission a tank exploded and did 13 times more damage than an incoming grenade. Yes, the grenade did 1 damage on the SHIV and that tank exploding did 13. Makes total no sense. Okay. Okay, I'm driving away here because I want to get repaired, and I don't want to give cover to this Mechtoid. And if it explodes, I'm not sure if it will at all. But if it explodes, then we don't have anybody right next to them. All right, so I want to give Artyom a chance at redeeming him, or do I? It's just 8 damage, right? Why does Kali shoot once? I'm thinking about maybe trying to stun, but can we stun a Mechtoid? I don't think so. So, okay, I've decided. Artyom gets a shot at this one. That's a kill.
X-ray neutralized.
And a shot at the other one. Cool. That brings it below 50%. That is the cue for Ana Lucia, because she has the Illuminator gun sight. Gives her Executioner. Triggers at 50, enemy HP below 50%. Boom, it goes. There you go. Now we have to tend our wounds. Reload here, Geraldine. You need your
Let's rock.
ammunition. Same goes to you, Umberto. We use one of the charges in the Acto to repair A1. A1 is pretty messed up here.
Robogun's busted. Moving to fix it.
Who has a health kit here? Let me check real quick. You have. Okay. So
Affirmative.
back here. Preparation. Of the next turn. Man, this tank explosion, that's the main source of damage that we ate. It's really annoying. Alright, heal the wounds on...
Man up and get back out there.
the assault. Actually that 11 damage on the assault did completely go into the armor. I like that.
Closing on
over here
target.
because we heard movement over there. Go down. I want A1 to move here and reload. Why here, you ask? Well, I can answer that question in just a moment. Artyom, you reload.
We're green to go.
You steady your weapon. Geraldine. Same goes for Umberto. And now Kali can use one of her charges on the arc thrower to again repair more on A1. Yes, A1 needs the armor back.
Repairing SHIV.
Repairing SHIV.
Hello? Who's out there?
Someone is, definitely. Are you not repairing yourself anymore, A1? No, no charges on the repaired foes. Okay. Ambu, use your last med kit. Oh, too far away? Alrighty.
Sir.
You come back, Peter. And get healed. Get healed to full
Easy now,
armor.
soldier.
Better to have one full armor than mediocre on two guys.
What's making that noise?
Something is. So
In
move
motion.
up, Peter. And well, if A1 doesn't repair itself, we have to do it. Almost back to full, that's good.
Getting it back online.
Why don't we move over here with A1 in preparation of something coming up here? Watch. And let's steady the weapons on a few guys. Yeah. Cool. They might be inside that building. Actually, why are we hanging out here? This might also explode at any moment. And then we will get a ton of damage. Yeah, so that's no good, is it? So move over
On my
here,
way.
Kali, away from that possible explosion. Okay, we will wait another turn. Maybe they will step into our line of sight. So much steadying going on here. Alright, I'll go a little closer. Sure, why not?
Okay.
Hello? Who's out there?
Yeah, something is inside that building, so we have to go after them. I1, move in. Peter,
In motion.
see nothing so far.
I'm on it, Commander.
Ambu, down to 8 health. You have to be very careful, Ambu. Don't want to lose you.
Moving out.
Geraldine, the scout, takes
Orders
the place
confirmed.
behind
Moving out.
A1. It's a good one. I don't know if our snipers can actually help inside the building, so
On the
Kali takes
move.
this place. And Overwatch. It's weapon steadying. Yeah, they are inside the building.
Hello? Who's out there?
I mean, the plan is to lure them out, of course. And who could be better at that than A1?
Closing on target.
Peter. Hunker down. Kali.
Heading to that location.
Steady the weapon. Artyom should have this position here. Geraldine.
Rolling
She
out.
over here.
Clear to engage.
Oh shizzle. They were actually not really inside the building. Okay, they caught us out of position now, that's bad. We only have one sniper, an engineer, and Artyom left, but all of them don't see the enemy. Ugh, that is the worst. Out of position here. These berserkers, and it had to be 3 of them. Of course, and that's the engineer who does not have the flashbangs. Okay, so you have Executioner on your Artyom, right? So why does our sniper not shoot Umberto? Not shoot Umberto. Shoot the first Berserker. Let's try this. So that's crit for 11. They come closer and they are not below 50%. No, a very few hit points are left. So I will try to shoot him with Amvu first. That's a 60%. It's reasonable. Alright, Artyom, you gotta do it. 90%. Okay. Luckily you can shoot again and now Executioner kicks in and they come closer. No, what? We failed the panic? Oh god, this turn is going to be the worst ever. Because they caught us off guard. Yeah, blah blah, asshole.
I'm flanked! I'm flanked! Son of a...
Oh, we got so lucky there that they didn't go after the Laura again. Whoa. I was counting on Galore being dead already. Alright, so we are still in the game. Awesome. Alright. Wait, so Artyom panicked last turn and is back already? That's strange. Alright, let's do this, Artyom. Oh, come on! What the fuck?
No way that just happened.
Indeed. Alright, so this guy's gone.
Pacified.
Might get flanked next turn.
Approaching target now.
Alright, okay, so I was looking for a safe place for my assault here. Okay, they lost. They missed one of these shots. Unfortunately, that triggers close combat specialist. It doesn't. Okay. So Ambu might have a chance here, actually, to kill that guy.
Moving.
Move over here, Ambu then. Take that shot, 3-4 chance. Ta-da! Awesome.
X-ray
Now,
neutralized.
one Berserker left. And A1 can still move. Let's see. Geraldine,
Commander.
move away from the berserker. 60% of hitting, chance of hitting. Alright. 1. Move as close as you can. And get a 76% chance here. Miss! God damn it! Seriously? Oh, I still have my snipers. Alright, that should make the whole thing a little bit more bearable. Geraldine gets a shot here because hit and run will trigger. Awesome. And he will run towards us. Meaning a close combat specialist sets in. Cool. The thing is, that makes it very hard for Geraldine to hit from here. But we still have others that can shoot. 100% here. Oh yeah. Yeah. I want to... Ana Lucia, please make that shot. Awesome. Awesome. So Umberto takes care of this guy.
Alien neutralizado.
Wonderful. So now Kani moves back
Heading
here
to that location.
and throws the smoke to save. Well, one of them is here. If they move over here, we still don't see. No, I don't think that Geraldine is in danger. So we will throw a smoke to protect
Popping
A1.
smoke.
There you go. And you will, I don't know, maybe move even farther away, like over
Moving
here,
to position.
to maybe flank them next turn. Good idea. Okay, they're here. Cool. On Overwatch. And there. What are they doing? That calling? Okay. A1 is out of ammunition. That's bad. Alright, cool. So, I have lightning reflexes on Geraldine, so I could trigger that Overwatch, move over here, or even here. I think that, oh, that might trigger more stuff though. I'm not too comfy to do that. Okay, do
Copy
it.
that.
It's the edge of the map, right? So it should be.
I'm taking fire.
$74 and 74. Okay. So I want to shoot at the one that is closest first. Hit and run triggers. And that was an outright kill. That is revenge that I'm talking about here. Yes. Sweet. Another hit. Well done. Give Ana Lucia another shot here. Yes. Oh, she doesn't get a shot.
Luz verde para avanzar.
Then I think it's Umberto time. 86. Yes.
Enemigos pacificados.
And there are more enemies around. Fine, let's
We're
reload.
green to go.
Weapons hot. Back in.
Roger that. Scanning.
Oh, there was one more mutant back there. And the mutant elites. Okay.
They're falling back.
Well then it's Galora time again. Wonderful. This is a 66 and this is a 74% chance. I'm shooting at the flanked one first. Oh, I only have one shot left. And I even missed.
That's it. I'm good.
But I still want to shoot the other, the mutant elites, because holo targeting. 45 only, and it's only a pistol. So it's mainly for the holo targeting. Alright, cool. First check. Ana Lucia does see somebody. Good. Good. This time we see the guy in this spot. That's strange. Alright, do your 99% chance shots, and we hit 4-5. Okay. Umberto. You see the same guy for 81. And that is a miss.
Munición agotada.
It's idioto. Okay, we might need A1 for suppression over here. Otherwise, Galora is in some danger over here. Although I'm not sure I'm going to see the Berserker from here. Oh. And Dorn. Can't even flank the guy, even if he wants to. Alright, Van Dorn.
Sir.
Move over here. Hunker down. We have to at least go and try, right? So move over here, A1. Nope. No suppression going on here. That's unfortunate. How far can we throw this? Oh! We can throw this very far. Okay. Move
On the
over here
move.
then, Kali. You might be in position to help out. Cool. Actually, what might be way better is throwing that flashbang. Yeah! Flash that banger! Poof. Bam! Disoriented. Cool. So we go on Overwatch here. And we have a few guys that need to catch up. How are we going to do this? This guy can pretty much get here and shoot down this lane. So we'll have to, you know, go all the way back here, I guess. No. Probably find a good space to help out here.
Aye, aye, Commander. I'm on it.
Ambu. Ambu has not much health left, so getting in a risky position like this is not a good idea on her. Why don't you move over here, Ambu? Alright, so one sniper. Oh, that's burning. One sniper is without ammunition next turn, or this turn rather. Alright, he goes on Overwatch. We need to reload. We really need to reload. Alright, reloads.
Back end.
You also need to reload.
En marcha.
We are flanking, but we only have 1% chance from down here. We don't see the enemy. And there is still someone here around the corner, right? I cannot forget about that. Am I going to draw that fire? Yeah, let's draw that fire with A1. Actually, that doesn't even trigger it. 59%, why not? Oh, covering fire, so he shoots back, but he's affected by flashbang, so he should miss. He didn't. Alright. But now we shoot 60%. That was actually a hit. Sweet, 410. And we don't see the other guy in the back. Ana Lucia. Well, I think that is the moment where we might use up some fuel to relocate.
In motion.
80%. Do it. Yes.
Drinks are on me.
All right. And now we need to strengthen this position here. So,
Moving.
Ani, move into this half cover and throw a smoke.
Smoke's in the air.
Smoke's in the air. Da 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 da. All right. Is it only one muton left? Yeah. Let's do this.
Yes, sir.
In case that one mutant is inside the building.
Got it. Moving.
Alright, let's see what happens. A1 repairs a little bit. Ah, there they are. Okay, awesome. Can we make it a stun? Where's our next stunner? Kali is a stunner and Ambu is a stunner, but they both don't look too good when it comes to health. Alright, let's do it like this. Alright, we move over here with A1 and we start suppressing the enemy. Then we need another hit on this guy. 8 damage, and how much health does he have left? 7. That's not too much, is it? Oh yeah, with the Sten gun. We might shoot with the Sten gun. What do you say about that?
Headed there now.
I mean, the Sten gun is capable of doing more damage if he crits. Let's check this out. We hit, we miss even. God damn it.
Damn it. Enemy is still alive.
Geraldine. Yeah, that's too much damage.
Running.
Affirmative.
I think we need to bring in the laser pistol. If we need, if you want that damage in next turn.
Roger that.
Oh, I could have gone to the roof.
Moving to position.
Maybe some pistol damage might work. That would bring him down to 4 or something. Let's try. Let's try the pistol. That hits. Oh, that was actually a crit. That is actually good enough. That's good enough. Let's hope this guy stays where he is, but he's flanked right now by my scout. I don't think he feels too comfortable where he is. Is he shooting back? No, he's getting that reaction shot and he missed. Oh, good, good. Damn it. Don't run away, we want that stun in, man. 30 minutes, my goodness. Alright, let's move over here. You see him. We have to reload. Okay, open the door. This does not warrant another video, so I will just
Okay.
end it in this episode, hopefully.
Double time.
Boo, we need to get in. We need that stunner here.
Closing on
Peter.
target.
Closing on targets. Knock her down. Connie.
On the
Move
move.
over here. Throw a smoke.
Smoke's in the air.
Man, stunning takes too much time. I'm telling you. I don't want it to run away more, but I'm pretty
On
sure
my
they
way.
will. Okay, what are they doing? Going on Overwatch around the corner. Okay. Almost there, almost there. Just stun it. Okay, Geraldine, why don't you move over here? Trigger the
I'm on the
Overwatch,
move.
hopefully. Yes.
They missed.
Now. A1. Go and pin that thing down with suppression. Yeah, the rest holds off. I don't want to make him move away.
I'm on the move.
Because we
Got it
flank him or
covered.
something. That would be bad, right? So let's not do that. Now I'll move
Headed there now.
closer. Knock this down.
Approaching target now.
Go over here.
Moving out.
Can you flashbang him again? Yes, you can. Awesome. Do it. Yes. No. Oh yeah, shoot, shoot. Yes, we got him, boys. Stun attempt number 1 is happening right now. Wait, why is it not? Oh, okay. Now it's showing. If you move the shift over here,
I'm
okay,
on the
move over
move.
here, try the stun. 57%, that's the maximum
works.
stun chance that we will get. Stun failed, awesome.
Oh crap.
Geraldine. You also have a stunner. God damn it. Not here though.
Aye, aye, Commander.
Got it covered. Explorando.
Affirmative.
You need another smoke here, is the thing. Because I don't want to move over here with the shift, because that flanks them, right? So let's not flank them. Let's just move over here. I know that's very risky, but I have the benefits of suppression, of flashbanging, and now throwing a smoke as well.
Moving.
And I hope that'll be enough. Oh, I should have
Popping smoke.
included him in the smoke. If he moves away, that makes it harder for the suppression to hit, actually. He does move away. God damn it. And we hit. God damn it! All for naught, but at least we got one stun attempt, right?
Operational
God damn it.
objectives completed.
Stunning is so hard in the long war, and I only did it for a weapon that I can collect, not even for the main storyline. Okay, Kali's out for 20 days. A1 is away for 6. That's my last shift, by the way. Yeah. And what did we get? How much Elerium? That is the only thing that we're looking out for during these missions. 14. Not enough. 115 bucks. Okay. Carbide plating needs a repair.
Remember,
let's do that immediately.
We will be watching.
Okay. Repair it. Alright, guys, that was the second episode of this abduction mission. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.